Hi, students and family members. This is Mr. Panza teaching you a new tech tool that's on your iPad. It's an app called ChatterKids or ChatterPix. What you're going to do once you find this app on your iPad is click the app. And it's going to say duck, duck, moose and make this weird sound effect. I'm not sure why it's there, but it does it every time. Notice the line and the mouth moving. That's what this is going to be. ChatterPix or ChatterKids allows you to take a photo and save that photo and make it come to life. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a photo first. In this example, we're going to look up a photo of a president. In order to do that, you just do a quick Google search. So I'm going to open up Google, and let's assume my president was Barack Obama. I need an image of this president. So I click on Images, and I'm going to take this picture here, and in order to save it, I hold my finger over this picture, and then I've got a whole bunch of options here. What I want to do is I want to add it to my photos. I want to make sure that it's there. So in my photos, I'm going to open it up, my camera roll. Oops, sorry, not camera roll, in my photos. And there's the picture that I just saved. That's going to be important because now when I go back to my app, and it does the same thing again.
Welcome to ChatterPix.
I'm ready to pull that picture and make a talkable photo. So when I click on Take Photo, I can either take a photo of myself or search photos that I have in my photos. So I'm going to take this picture that I saved, and now I have a picture of the president that I'm going to make come to life. You see in the upper right here, I need to move the camera so you can see it, it says Next. When you click on that, it's going to allow you to move into the next step where you draw the mouth. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Click Next. Now you can see you're not ready to record yet. That's because you need to take your finger and swipe it across the lips of your person. Try and make it as close as you possibly can. Now, mine doesn't look very good, and you can edit it if you'd like, but for the sake of this example, we'll leave it here. Now you can see the microphone is live. So all you have to do is simply press the record button, and you will be good to record. I am going to tell you why, in my opinion, because based on a project we're doing in class, studying the main idea why President Obama was an influential president.
Record in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hello, my name is President Barack Obama. I was the 44th president of the United States. I was an influential president because I was the first African American president in the United States history. I also brought health care to many millions of Americans that didn't otherwise have it. I'm Barack Obama, and I approve this message. Then you press that orange button and it stops. It allows you to play it back. Hello, my name is President Barack Obama. And you can see that the lips were moving. Now, the diagonal's not so great. You could always redo it. I'd also encourage all students to write down what they're going to say. That way they're good to go. Then, in the upper right-hand corner, it says Next. Click Next. Now I can add different features at the bottom here. Filter would change the color. I'm going to keep it normal. Stickers. I would only add a sticker if it's appropriate, so you're not going to, say, put a pirate hat on a president. You could add picture frames around, but again, you want to make sure they're appropriate. I'm not going to add anything like that. But I am going to add a text box, so I can click on the text feature here, click on the letters, and then type in a different color if I'd like. I'm going to type in blue and put 44th president. And then hit the green check mark. And there it is. So now I have text as well as a talking picture. When I'm done, I hit Next, which again is in the upper right-hand corner. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to save it and then post it here at school.